What if I told you the best gift for Christmas costs $0, takes 1 minute, and you don't need any tech skills? Sounds crazy, right? Now look at me. Be honest. Are you really about to give them socks again? Or a gift card they will forget next week? You want that gift, the one they remember. But those gifts usually cost a lot. Not anymore. Let me show you something wild.
Ho! Merry Christmas, Tyler. You have been very good this year.
Today I'll show you how to make this. No stress, no tech skills, just copy and paste. But making the video is only half the magic. Stay till the end because I'll show you 3 genius ways to deliver it so the moment hits even harder and becomes a core memory. Why does this work? Simple. It feels personal. You can buy a generic Santa message online for $50. But does that Santa know your daughter lost her first tooth yesterday? Does he know your best friend is obsessed with pickleball? Nope. But AI does, because you tell it. And when the message is that personal, their brain goes, wait, how does Santa know this? That's the magic, and you'll make it in 3 clicks. Step 1. The text. You need Santa's line. Just one short line and you don't need to write anything. The prompt is already in description. Copy it right there. Now change the name inside it, like Tyler. That's it, you're done. Step 2. The video. Go to flow.google. This is where VO3 lives. You'll see a tiny box for text. Paste your prompt, that's all it needs. VO3 makes videos up to 8 seconds, so keep it simple. Short line, perfect result. Click generate, and now you've got your Santa. Download it. Magic done. But hey, maybe you want something bigger, like Santa calling your kid by name and talking about the cool things they did this year. See that small button called Extend? That's where the advanced stuff lives. You can stretch the video, add extra lines, make Santa tell a whole story. But that's more of an advanced level move. If you want me to make a full step-by-step guide on how to create long cinematic Santa message, put a like on this video, subscribe, and write in the comments I want advanced. If I see enough of those, I'll make it. Step 3. The delivery. Okay, you've got the video. Santa is saying exactly what you typed. Now let's turn this tiny clip into a GIF they'll remember. Please do not send it through WhatsApp, for example. That kills the magic. Here are 3 ways to deliver it like a pro. Method 1. The secret agent. When you download your Santa video, you now need a place to put it. Here's the simple way. You can upload it to YouTube as unlisted, or even easier, drop it right into your Google Drive. On Drive, hit the 3 dots, tap Share and copy the link. Now we turn that link into something magical. Go to Canva. On the left, open templates, search for QR code. You'll see a bunch of designs. I picked the first one I liked. But you can scroll, find something more festive, more holiday magic. Click Customize this template. On the left, open Elements, search QR code, you'll see a box pop up for a link. Paste your Santa link right there, and Canva instantly makes your QR code and drops it onto the design. Center it, resize it, fix the colors, add your kid's name, add the tiny secret message, make it cute, make it magical, Once it looks perfect, print it. Now the fun part. Take the paper and burn the edges just a little bit. Not too much. Just enough to make it feel like an old scroll for the North Pole. Hide it deep inside the Christmas tree and tell them, Santa left a secret message, you have to find it. Their face when they scan it, pure wonder. Method 2, the TV hijack. Set this up on Christmas morning, everyone's opening gifts. The room is loud, wrapping paper everywhere, and you quietly cast the video to the big TV, make it full volume, and act confused like, wait guys, shh, what is that? Is that a live feed? Guaranteed chaos. Guaranteed memories. Method 3, the fake phone call. Change a contact name of your friend to Santa North Pole. Ask a friend to call you. Hand the phone to your kid or friend, but instead of answering, hit play on the Santa video. It looks like a FaceTime call straight from the North Pole. They will scream. See, you don't need tech skills. Just a tiny bit of magic and a lot of heart. In a world full of expensive gifts, you just made something priceless, something they will remember. And hey, if you are tired of all the Christmas chaos, take 5 minutes just for yourself. Put life on a pause and let AI make you laugh. Watch my next video, it's a collection of the funniest, weirdest things AI has ever created. Go watch it, give yourself that little break, you earn it.